Hey Dominic.
Hey Dan, how's it going?
Dominic is our March Mayhem winner from an Instagram contest back in March. And the contest included a free leveling kit and a set of XT wheels. So he's picked his wheels and he picked a leveling kit. He wanted to go 3 inches in the front, but he also wanted to add a little something in the back, right?
Yeah, absolutely. I knew the 3-inch would make it look real good in the front, but also still wanted to bring the back a little bit up to have that rake.
So based on that, we said, well, we have that in a box already in our SST line. So our 695175 fits the bill perfectly. Now you can see the install is underway. We'll get it finished up and we'll show you how it looks. All right, so we got Dominic's truck out of the shop, freshly aligned. He's got his 3-1 kit. He's got his new machete in gray, looking awesome. How's it ride?
Rides great.
Feels good?
Yeah, a lot better than I expected actually.
Yeah, that's a nice thing about these leveling kits is, you know, since you're just adding a little height to the strut, you keep that factory feel. And you get a little bit of a smoother ride because of that extra sidewall you got with a little bit larger tire.
Yeah, no, it feels great. Rides great, looks great. Speed exceeds my expectations for sure.
Driving straight, everything feels good?
Yeah.
No pulling? All right. How much higher does it feel to you?
Definitely feels higher.
Yeah?
Yeah, I definitely feel those couple inches. I mean, 3 inches doesn't seem like much on paper, but yeah, you definitely feel it.
And you're a little closer to level too. So
right, exactly, yeah.
Your eyesight's up.
Yeah.
All right, so we got Dominic, our Instagram winners. It's 2016 Toyota Tundra. We got our 3-1 SST kit installed. We have the new XT Machete wheels and some nice Falcon Wild Peaks. What do you think, Dominic?
Man, it looks great, feels great, it rides great.
Well, we're glad you helped us out.
Thank
glad
you
were a winner. Stay tuned next year when we do this contest again. Maybe you could be the winner. In the meantime, follow us on Facebook and Instagram, and follow us on the YouTube channel as well. Anyway, thanks, man. Appreciate your time.
Thank you. Yeah,
And we'll
thank
see
you
you soon.
and your team as well. Yep.